welcome to the channel. Orlando Hunter, rock bouncer, scale 132, part 2, mounting, assembling and becoming crazy with little pieces. Today I've made this and here I show you how I did. But before, remember, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Subscribe is free and makes me happy. And you are a good person. Let's see the work. Section number 4 is made, and it was not easy. It's very little, requires a lot of skill, and this is the result. If you drive from here, this turns, everything is okay. Now we have to do this, the rear axle. So we start from the E-clip. E-clip is not made with a very good quality. Even inserting a little E-clips, it becomes a trouble. Pieces are all very slippery. It's not a nice system. This is not a good iron. Doesn't snaps. Okay. Mounted. Then we have to put this gear by this side, because here we have a hole, and find the right position to insert this pin that yesterday for the other axle I have lost. I have to make one because I don't know if they put something more, some spares. Very clever this way to keep the pin in position. The oil rolling. Okay, and this is it, a little piece. Then we have to put the rings. There I go. Then wow, these are too big. These are not the right rings. Perhaps this one. Like a bigger one, the same difficulties, the same techniques, but you have to find a new way of managing these little pieces. It turns fantastic. So little. Then we can close. It's not a car for beginner. Not just for the struggle with little pieces, but because it requires a good mechanical knowledge. it has all the things that a bigger one has, a good bigger one has. Okay, here 2 ball bearings. I suppose these bags are very little. Everything is little. But this is nothing. I have to discover everything about electronics. It's a mystery, electronics. Do not twist the screw too tight. I haven't over-tightened the screw. And then the 2 parts. So, we need pieces. Which way? This way. And here the key slips over. So, very carefully one. It doesn't work. This is very bad. They fall on these stupid things. Tools. Don't turn this. Turn this. Oops. Lost. Okay, 1 and 2 are made. Then I have to mount this on this with which kind of screw? And now we have to pay attention on which side put this, because between this and this there's a connection, so they have to go on the same way. Let the screw coming out just a little bit from the back, so you can reach easily the holes.
1 and 2. Then a little bit one, a little bit the other. Return the first to screw it down. Don't tight too much. Okay, done. Now, only go.
See, it's not a... It's a little car, but it's very long to assemble. There are a lot of pieces. It's wonderful. You have to buy also a lot of things, because they deliver the model is intended like the race model, the bigger race model, so you have to buy quite everything. Radio, batteries, charger, ESC, what else? Engine, everything. I have ordered the engine, the battery and the charger. Battery, I bought a very little battery, 150 milliampere, I think, 7.4, and I guess it will arrive within January.
I'm filming before Christmas. You will see after Christmas, perhaps next year. Hoping this is a better here, because the last one was a disaster. You have to leave. Okay.
You see, this is the right way, this is the wrong way. I have made the right way. They always say this, and this is very important. Read it. So, 2 bearings. And the bearing is in place. 1. And here we are, the second one. We have these 2. After about 2 hours, 2 hours and a half of work, I'm learning how to mount these very little pieces. Bye now, thank you very much for watching. Comments, like and subscribe. Subscribe is free, makes me very happy. You can make a gift without using money, subscribing. Up to the next step, part with bag B, all the links and connecting the links to the axles. All the best, bye bye.